Hi guys, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So today we are going to paint on this piggy bank, this Gullak. It is very cute plain brown color piggy bank which we are going to customize today. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. At first, I'll apply a coat of gesso. It's totally fine if you don't have it. You can skip this step or can even use white acrylic paint. Okay, so gesso apply करके हो गया and now moving towards painting. बहुत simple and easy paint करने वाली हूँ मैं. I hope you all love the outcome. Starting by applying navy blue to the top and bottom just as shown. Navy blue is often seen as a sign of stability. So, what else could be the best suitable color to give other than this? Anyways, I am going to leave a white space in between for creating our warli figures on it. Yeah, I'm going to create warli painting. Stay tuned. So after this, I am going to go with this golden acrylic paint to give a traditional royal vibe. I had to apply 2 to 3 coats of golden color because it is metallic. After this, similarly, I'll paint a strip of this cute dark pink shade. Kafi easy steps hai. Do give it a try. Holidays are still going on for some people, so definitely try to be creative. Okay, then coming back, I'll quickly border these with black acrylic paint and then move towards making our cute little warli figures. So traditional warli painting is done using only one color and the figures are filled with the same color which usually is black or white. But I'm gonna add a twist in here by painting their bodies with blue, green and dark pink. Adding few final touch-ups and then it's done. I hope you love my outcome. Super easy process and is looking very beautiful. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end and for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done it yet, like my video, share it with at least one friend and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye and take care.